Now, after completing all the configurations, now finally it's the fifth user guide, that is the dashboard guide in your repository. And this is a visual treat. Okay, this actually tells us a story, how much the tool has been working for you, and what are the areas in which you have been leveraged by this tool. And it's a very visual representation of the data that we have collected. Okay, and it is a filterable data that's really good for you. So we have bifurcated as activity type and as on daily trend, and both of these bifurcations are controlled by a single data filter. So let's quickly jump in and we'll see what the dashboard all looks like. Now, from the data that we have already seen in the system and support tab, we have the export. Okay, so what we have done is from our side, we have given you a visual representation of how the tool has been helping you, how you've been interacting with the system. Okay, what are the prime areas, okay, in which the user group is facing issues and they were supported. So this gives you a lot of insight. Okay, so if you see, we have divided this based on activity and also on the daily trend. Okay, and we have given filters, okay, which will give you a timeline trending as to what is happening, okay, and how these metrics make a difference in your organization. A visual treat is definitely something I will go ahead with. I hope all of you had a very good insight of what CareBlocks can do and how much of potential it has got. So we will leave it up to each one of you to go ahead and leverage whatever functionality you think is good for you, your system, and for your department. Okay, so all the best, and I really want to see all of you interacting with this particular tool. Okay, it is just plug and play, and it has to be configured once, and that's it. So you don't need special training for all this, because all this backend configurations can be done by your informatics specialist or even by us and given to you, and you will not even know the tool is running in the backend. Okay, so but at the end of the day, this tool brings in so much of data, so much of value, and so much of assistance. So I would say each one of you should go ahead and leverage the best of it. Okay, and thank you for staying in and tuning in into all these videos, and I hope this brings in a lot of value to each one of us. And until then, see you all, have a very good day. Thank you.